2025 Mazda CX-50 Hybrid. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It's designed to adapt to meet your daily demands with its cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver's seat, pass-through rear seat, gasoline electric hybrid, rain sensing wipers. Not finding what you're looking for? Give us your feedback.